This video can change your life if you follow this routine with only 7 days of discipline and focus, which I'm going to tell you today. Only 7 days of commitment. If you can't be consistent in these 7 days, you don't have that much willpower, then you should definitely watch this video. After 7 days from today, your mind will be sharp, your energy will double, and you will be a new variant, a disciplined, focused, and unstoppable human being. So before starting this journey, write "I am ready" in the comment section because life is going to change from today. Number 1, kill distractions, mobile scrolling, random YouTube videos, Instagram Reels. Stop it. Remember one rule: what you fuel your mind. You become whatever you're entering in your mind. You are becoming that. Always keep checking your phone, your body. Your energy drains your brain. So from today, one rule: social media, only 30 minutes, notifications off. Keep your phone while working because this thing reduces your productivity a lot. You look at the phone before doing any work. You look at the phone after doing any work. You can't focus on any work because your whole focus is on your phone. One notification, one like spoils your whole focus. You immediately leave your work there and get attracted to this thing. What is happening on social media? Who has seen my story? Who has liked? These are all very small things. If you want to achieve big in this world, then you have to stay away from these small level things. Who saw my status? Who liked? These are all very low level things. You have come out of all these things. You are controlling yourself. The first day will be very difficult, but the reward will be as much as the result. The more you struggle, the more you will get results. Number 2, wake up early. Early risers lead the world. Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, all successful people wake up early because morning time refreshes the mind. You are at your full potential only in the morning. But if you're not sleeping at night, then how will you wake up in the morning? That's why you have to fix your sleep cycle before waking up early in the morning. You have to turn off your mobile before sleeping. And don't look at your mobile while you wake up in the morning because this thing will keep you in a loop. You will start putting the smell of social media in your mind in the morning. You will not be able to think anything productive. How do I spend today? If you don't decide this in the morning, then you're taking your life towards failure. Because if you in your morning, make your morning successful, then your whole day passes successfully. If you spend your every day well, then your whole life can be successful. So to make your whole life better, first of all, you have to improve your morning. If you lose control over yourself in the morning, then what will you do all day? How will you work on yourself all day? Number 3, plan and priority. Being disciplined means mastering time. Spending every day without planning is a guarantee of failure. You have to plan your next day at night. You have to think about your next day before sleeping at night. What I have to do? You have to write 3 important tasks. You have to set a time block. You have to keep the time of focus and relax separately. Because if you don't know what you have to do, what is your plan, then you will never be able to take actions. You will not be able to give any reason to your brain that why I have to work hard. If you don't have any plan in your hand that where to start, then your brain will keep on rotating. You will be confused that where to start. Only those people are always successful who keep their whole day's plan in their hands. So plan your whole day. Set your priorities. Because if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. If you are failing in your plans, you're making a plan to fail. Number 4, master your mindset. Your life is the same as your way of thinking. Negative thinking, negative life. Positive, focused mindset, powerful life. Say affirmation every morning for 10 minutes. I am focused. I am disciplined. I am creating dream life. Catch negative things and replace them. Scientifically, our brain rewirings happens in 21 days, but changes start to appear in 7 days. If you only think about 7 days, you keep your mindset positive. You say positive things to yourself that yes, I am changing my life. I am growing in my life. So you will start growing automatically. Your subconscious mind will bring you in a state where even if you don't want to work hard, still will force you to work, will force you to be disciplined because you must have given your mind this reason that I am getting success because whatever you keep repeating, your brain starts believing it to be true. Then it will force you to take these actions to succeed. No matter how lazy you are, no matter how distracted you are, your body and your mind are interconnected. If your body is lazy, if your body is unhealthy, if you're not physically active, you're trapped in unhealthy activities and habits, then your mind will also not be of any use. Your mind will also become lazy. So move your body. Work out for 20 to 30 minutes. Exercise at home. Avoid junk food. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Even if you can't go to the gym, do push-ups, scores, jumping jacks at home. When you increase your physical activity, your mind will automatically be fresh. Such hormones will start releasing in your mind. And number 6, deep work. Give priority to deep work in these 7 days. Doing deep work in silence is the game changer. Deep work means 90 minutes distraction-free, focused work. Go into a phase where nothing is distracting you. Neither your phone, nor your people around you, nor your brain. You take control of your work. You focus on the work you are doing. When you start going into the deep work phase, then you will not know the time. You will start from 90 minutes, and then 3 to 4 hours will pass. You will not even know, and in this phase you can study, learn new skills, work on your career the day you will enjoy working deep. That day you'll be addicted to productivity. You will feel so motivated inside that nothing will distract you, nothing will make you lazy in these 7 days. Adopt these habits and share your results in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching.